Transform your garden pond or water feature into a captivating oasis with POPOSOAP's innovative product lineup. Combining functionality with aesthetic brilliance, the POPOSOAP Waterfall Box with Pump Kit, multifunctional small garden pond filter box, and solar pond lights cater to both practical needs and artistic desires. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing experience. The excitement begins the moment you unbox each product. POPOSOAP ensures that every element is securely packaged, making the unboxing process both satisfying and straightforward. Waterfall Box with Pump Kit. Inside the box, you'll find custom hose, easy to connect, ensuring a quick setup. User manual, clear and detailed instructions for hassle-free installation. Pump, high performance designed for seamless water flow. Waterfall box, the core component, crafted from durable 304 stainless steel. Multifunctional small garden pond filter box. Inside the package, the contents include filter box, sturdy and versatile, designed for multiple applications. Filter pads, coarse and fine, for catching debris of all sizes. Filter balls, for advanced filtration and water purification. Pump, 660 GPH, efficient and energy-saving. Fountain nozzles, offering adjustable water flow and fountain displays. Adjustable knob, for fine-tuning water output. User manual, a comprehensive guide for installation and use. The box comes well organized with each component neatly packed, ensuring nothing is missing. Solar pond lights. The solar lights come in a thoughtfully arranged package that includes solar panel with adjustable stand for efficient energy capture. LED pond lights, waterproof and versatile for multiple settings. Mounting kit, for wall or ground installation. User manual, easy to follow setup instructions. Each light is wrapped securely to prevent damage, and the solar panel is protected with a film to avoid scratches during transit. Product highlights and performance. POPOSOAP Waterfall Box with Pump Kit. Key features: material durability, crafted from 304 stainless steel. This waterfall box promises excellent corrosion and oxidation resistance. Its sleek design ensures it remains a stunning centerpiece regardless of weather exposure. Smooth water flow. The kit delivers a seamless water cascade, enhancing the sensory appeal of your outdoor space. Low noise design. Enjoy the tranquil sound of flowing water without disruptive motor noises. Ease of use. Designed for effortless setup, the quick installation process involves connecting the custom hose to the pump and waterfall box. Performance and design. The POPOSOAP Waterfall Box excels in both practicality and aesthetic appeal. It integrates seamlessly with fish ponds, garden fountains, and patio water features, providing a luxurious and relaxing ambiance. The robust stainless steel ensures durability, while its noiseless operation caters to serene garden spaces. POPOSOAP Multifunctional Small Garden Pond Filter Box. Key features: versatility, compatible with various water features like fish tanks, waterfalls, and fountains. Comprehensive filtration. The dual-layer filter pads effectively catch debris of all sizes, complemented by 20 filter balls for enhanced purification. Energy efficiency. The pump delivers a powerful 660 GPH flow with minimal energy consumption. Multiple usage modes. Offers 3 options: fountain, water feature, or a combination of both. Performance and design. This filter box is a must-have for maintaining a healthy aquatic environment. Its advanced design ensures clean, clear water, free from debris and impurities. The adjustable flow rates and fountain nozzles add customization, allowing users to tailor the water display to their liking. POPOSOAP Solar Pond Lights. Key features: solar-powered efficiency, equipped with a 2200 mAh battery, and auto on-off functionality. These lights harness the sun's energy for sustainable operation. The solar panel connects to the LED lights via a 3-meter cable, with an additional 1.2 meters of wiring between each lamp. This setup provides ample flexibility for placing the lights around your pond or garden, even in shaded areas. One of the standout features of the POPOSOAP solar pond lights is their reliance on solar energy. The built-in solar panel charges the lights throughout the day, converting sunlight into stored energy for nighttime use. The lights come with 3 adjustable brightness modes: high, medium, and low. This flexibility allows you to control the intensity of the lighting based on your needs. Waterproof design. IP68 certification ensures these lights withstand wet conditions, making them perfect for ponds and gardens. Simple installation, easily mountable on walls or ground for versatile use. Performance and design. The solar pond lights are a delightful addition, enhancing the visual appeal of water features at night. The adjustable brightness modes provide flexibility, ensuring your pond is beautifully illuminated for hours. Their solar functionality not only saves energy, but also aligns with eco-friendly practices. The synergy between the waterfall box, filter box, and solar lights makes POPOSOAP a comprehensive solution for garden enthusiasts. The products cater to diverse needs, be it maintaining water clarity, creating dynamic water flows, or illuminating the surroundings. Conclusion. POPOSOAP products embody the perfect blend of beauty and functionality. The waterfall box with pump kit and the multifunctional garden pond filter box are essential for creating and maintaining an enchanting water feature, while the solar pond lights add a magical nighttime glow. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or someone looking to enhance your outdoor space, these products promise to deliver a transformative experience. The meticulous unboxing experience and superior design make them a valuable addition to any outdoor haven. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.